What is clipping? If you don't know what it is or how to start, this video is for you. Watch till the end. All your confusion will be cleared. You've probably already seen different reels on TikTok and YouTube where people are earning a decent amount of money from content clipping. These days, content clippers are increasing day by day because the CPM in clipping is really high. Some campaigns pay you $3 to $6 per 1,000 views. All you have to do is clip parts from content that's shared with you. So, say a client shares a long-form video with you. You just cut it into small parts using an app like CapCut. If you guys need a tutorial on that, let me know in the comments and I'll make one. Coming back to the topic, you clip the video, add a simple touch-up like subtitles and music, and post it. Once it gets views, that's it. You start earning. Now, where do you post? YouTube, TikTok, Insta? Honestly, you can post everywhere. It depends on your client or the campaign, which platform they prefer. All that information will be provided to you, so don't worry about it. So first, right now, create one email ID or 2 or 3 and start exploring content so you can build a good channel ready for clipping. There are some common mistakes in clipping. If you make them, your views will be 0 from the start, or you'll get stuck around 100 views. I'll cover that in the next video. For now, let's talk about the basics. Why is clipping trending right now? Because a lot of famous creators are preferring it. No followers needed. Anyone can become a clipper. All you need is views and reach on your video. It's basically real, public data. Followers don't matter here. Now, how do you start? First, pick a niche: fitness, music, love and relationships, whatever suits you. I personally prefer making different accounts for different niches. But since you're a beginner, start by exploring clipping websites like WAP First. They share information there about what kind of campaign it is, so you can plan your channel accordingly. Pick a name like Clipsbuster, Clips World, Short Clips, something like that. The main thing is consistency. Be consistent. Keep uploading. Once you start getting views, you'll start earning money based on the campaign and the verified views. Verified views basically means if the targeted audience matches, that's when you actually earn money. If you want a step-by-step video tutorial from creating an account to posting your first video, let me know by subscribing and dropping a comment. I'll make sure everyone's able to open an account and start posting. This video right now is just to give you the information about clipping. Now, where do you actually search for campaigns? You can find them on WAP or in Discord communities. These days, there are even Nepali clipping Discord communities. If you know any, share them in the comments so others can find them too. Personally, I use WAP and Viro, along with a few other private clipping campaigns. Once you get good at clipping, you'll start discovering dozens of websites online, and you can even collab directly with creators. So, start clipping, guys. If you were able to take away anything from this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and have a lovely day ahead. This video shares basic knowledge about clipping and how to get started. I'm not guaranteeing that everyone will earn money from this. Results depend on effort, consistency, and the campaigns you join. This is purely for informational purposes.